Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're starting with the essentials: power and Bluetooth. Plug the Hesh Evo in if the battery is low, then press and hold the power button for about 4 to 6 seconds to force pairing mode. The LED will flash. On your iPhone, open Settings and tap Bluetooth so the phone scans. Once done, keep the Bluetooth page visible. This helps you confirm the headset appears. These steps align hardware state with the phone's scanner, making discovery reliable. Now focus on the iPhone display. Wait for Hesh Evo to appear under other devices, then tap it to start pairing. When you tap, the phone and headset exchange Bluetooth profiles so audio, controls, and call functions work. Allow any pop-up or pairing confirmation. If a code appears, accept it. Most Skullcandy units use a simple confirmation. Once paired, the iPhone shows connected, and the headset becomes the active audio sync. So make sure media routing is set to the Hesh Evo in Control Center. Finish by playing a familiar track or video to verify sound, and adjust the iPhone's volume and headset physical controls. This confirms both media and call routing. Make sure Siri responds through the headset if you need voice control. If pairing fails or disconnects repeatedly, perform a factory reset on the Hesh Evo. Hold the power button until LEDs flash and then repair. If problems persist, toggle iPhone Bluetooth off and on. Forget the device.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.